Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 13. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang Manage Certification Purposes section sa Barangay Services Management module. Ang section na ito ay ginagamit para i-maintain ang master list ng certificate purposes na ginagamit kapag gumagawa ng Barangay Certificates. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Services Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Services screen, pumunta sa Manage Certification Purposes section. Dito, makikita ang table ng certificate purposes. The table may show information such as purpose, description, active status, and available actions such as deactivate, edit, and delete. Ang purpose ng section na ito ay to standardize certificate requests. Ibig sabihin, kapag gumagawa ng barangay certificate, ang user ay pipili mula sa predefined and approved purposes instead of typing inconsistent wording every time. Examples of certificate purposes include overseas employment, electric power connection, OSK ID requirement, business permit application, water connection, and school requirement. To add a new certificate purpose, click Add Purpose. The user will enter the purpose name and description, then save the record. The purpose should be short and clear. The description should explain what the purpose is for. For example, school requirement may have the description Request for School Requirement. If an existing purpose needs correction, click Edit. This allows authorized users to update the purpose name or description. There is also a Deactivate button. This is used when a purpose should no longer be available for new certificate requests. If the active status is yes, the purpose is available for selection when creating certificates. If the status is no, the purpose is hidden from selection but retained in the records. Deactivation is recommended instead of deletion, especially when the purpose has already been used in existing certificates. This helps preserve data integrity and historical consistency. There is also a Delete button. This permanently removes a purpose, so it must be used carefully. Do not delete purposes that are already used in existing certificates. The safer approach is to use Deactivate when the purpose is no longer needed. Sa right side or help context, makikita ang guide explaining what this section does, how to use it, available actions, active status, important notes, tip, and system impact. The most important reminders are maintain clear descriptions, avoid deleting purposes already used in certificates, and use standardized purpose names to keep certificate wording consistent. This section directly affects the Request Barangay Certificate module because these purposes appear when creating certificates. In summary, ang process ay simple. Open Barangay Services Management. Go to Manage Certification Purposes. Review the purpose list. Use Add Purpose to create a new purpose. Use Edit to update records. Use Deactivate to hide purposes from future use. And use Delete only with caution. The Manage Certification Purposes section helps ensure uniform wording, better accuracy, and more professional official documents. With this tutorial, natapos na natin ang detailed how-to tutorials under the Barangay Services Management module. Sa next how-to tutorials, we will proceed to another BIMS module and workflow. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to manage certification purposes. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS App po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.